This sounds insane, but it's real. Stars actually make sounds, and we can listen to them. Stars are constantly vibrating like giant cosmic speakers. Those vibrations create pressure waves that move through the star's interior. Humans can't hear them directly, but scientists can convert the data into sound, and just like that, stars can sing. And here's the coolest part. Every star has its own unique sound. Some vibrate like deep bass notes, others sound high and eerie, almost like horror music in space. Imagine the universe secretly having its own soundtrack. If you love weird, beautiful, mind-blowing space facts like this, hit subscribe. Let's explore the cosmic soundscape together.